Okay guys, so it's the next day and there's the broken limb up there and I gotta cut it down. I'm gonna use this chainsaw. This is a MS 250, I think. Yeah, it's a steel MS 250. I'm gonna climb up there with the ladder and cut that tree down. So I hope that this goes okay, and it could be a fail and you could be witnessing me falling out of a tree here. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Here's the ladder right there. I've got it set up. I need to cut it off way up there. So here we go. So I'm about 25 feet up and not really liking the looks of this, and I don't like being up this high, especially on a ladder, but I got my chainsaw and I'm hoping this goes okay. So here we go. Now, I already know what some of you guys are gonna say is, why don't you call a professional tree trimmer? I gotta do things myself. I just don't have, I'm not made of money, and money doesn't grow on trees at my house. All right guys, I'm ready to go, and this is not an awesome sight. So, let's see if we can get this started here. It's cut. Hey, so I couldn't get the chainsaw to work, so I've got this rope right here. I'm gonna tie the rope on right here. I'm gonna stand down below and try to pull it down. So I've got the rope tied right here. Chainsaw was a fail because it bound right here. So the tree's hung up there. It's probably a good 15 or 20 feet of tree that needs to come down. So I've got the bowl line set up there with the knot, and then she's got the end of the rope. So I'm gonna come down and try to pull it out. So I'm about 25 feet in the air right now, and it's not very awesome. Now we've got the rope up there. Doesn't look that tall from down here. Okay guys, so here we go.
Yeah. Oh, I don't want you tangled in the rope when this comes down.
Oh, it's stuck, guys. So the tree's stuck up there. Since I'm no good with the chainsaw and can't seem to cut the tree down, and I can't pull it down with the rope, I'm going to use the diesel power of the truck to possibly get that sucker down. Okay, here we go. So did you see that? Pulled that baby right down. That's the power of diesel fuel right there for you. So if you can see the top of the tree, it's up there. It's the same length as the trunk of the tree. So that tree broke more than halfway down. The wind was quite strong yesterday, so now I'm gonna pull it down. So there it is. So got the tree down and didn't fall off the ladder, so I would consider that a win. The chainsaw didn't fall down and hit anyone, and everybody's safe, so now I just have to cut it up and dispose of it. So I'm just glad that didn't fall on anybody during the storm. So thanks for watching these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.